Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of Miss Wolf and her sister Fox, chapter 18. So here it is. Let's read the story. Back to UNC. It was next day, and it's early in the morning, but she was still sleeping. Right now, looking at her, she's been tied up on the bed. Well, in June, she really get crazy, right? The other hand, Minjun's opened the door. She want to enter the room. Well, did she really miss UNC? After hearing there's someone's going inside, UNC suddenly wake up. Now, looking at her, she looks really rattled. Minjun said to her, "Good morning, sister." Now, she was carrying a bouquet of flowers, and it seems that she's going to place it on the side table. UNC. Now, she looked out on herself and it turns out she will not properly dress. Miss Minjun, she really got crazy last night. That's why she do things like this to her. Now, UNC was hissing. Probably some of the parts of the body are still aching. Especially Minjun. She got really wild. The back of my neck hurts. Sister, what's wrong? Now, UNC. She was in pain because of Minjun last night. Pretending and unlock the chain for me. When you ask questions knowingly, you know how to act nice. Well, Minjun was teasing UNC, but looking at our girl, she looks really mischievous. My sister is so angry because she was dissatisfied last night. Well, it turns out she is. Right now, Minjun, she unlocked the chain, and UNC get breathed down. Don't have it. You were very good last night. It is because he is younger. He has more energy than the grey wolf, like me, or turn over. Thank you, sister. You're praising me. Now, UNC said to her, "I'm going to take a shower. Also, I'm hungry. Is there anything to eat?" Now, she's being asked. But, Minjun right now. Yes, but sister, you haven't put on your clothes yet. Well, she was right. UNC until now. She looks really fair. But it's no worries to her. She really walk into the room like that. They are all women and so on. Besides, it's not like you don't see me last night. Before you said your legs hurt. Were you lying to me? No, when it rains, my leg will indeed hurt. But they are not useless sisters. You can rest assured. Well, right now, Minjun, she want to tell the truth. Everything to her. That's why she is speaking to her right now. The door is closed. Looking at it, Minjun, she got really sad. UNC right now, she's trying to calm herself. What is this called? Right now, she want to be calm. Later, the Esteros features. Crazier it becomes. In the end, I turn into the last full piece who only knew how to demand. How could I do things such a thing? Now, she's having remorse on what happened last night. Seems that physically characteristic will not be restored for a while. Well, now, looking at it, UNC, she got really sad. On the other hand, you little fox, don't bite people if your teeth are not sharp enough. Right now, looking at herself, got a lot of bruises. Also, in June, she really got crazy. You're quite good at taking care of people now. Eat more. This is porridge Xiaojun specially made for her sister. Now she can also cook herself. But Minjun, looking at her, she looks really happy. I made it because sister wanted to eat. I am just a little waste in the eyes of my sister. As long as my sister is willing to like me again, it's no problem and treating like me, the little waste. Right now, UNC. How could you fall in love with me? We can obviously be relatives. Right now, UNC, she's trying to speak to her calmly. Even though she tried also, convince her that the two of them are relative to each other. For Minjun, it's such an heinous thing to like you and fall in love with you. Will you never leave me? For relatives, with my sister and I, kiss, make love, and stay together day and night until we grow old. Now, this is the trivial things that Minjun want to ask her. UNC, she can really answer her correctly because for her, Minjun, she was still her little sister. But for Minjun, even they're not blood related. So-called relatives are your excuses. I can accept you leaving me to fall in love, hug, kiss, and someone else. Right now, she fooled her. Well, did she trying to restrain herself? Sister, you are pitiful. Take pity on me, love me more. But, did you like me? Minjun is asking her a question. But right now, UNC still can answer her. On her mind, I do still have the ability to love. Well, she was really questioning herself because of the pain and sad past that she encountered before. Of course, it's really hard for her. Miss, the head of the house, calls you over there. There is something urgent, I see. Right now, it seems that Minjun, she's going to be busy. How long do you have to go? Soon, I will be back before the afternoon. Minjun said to UNC. It seems that UNC will get bored in the house alone. Especially, Xiaojun asked her, don't leave me please. Well, looking at this kid, it's like she is begging not to leave her alone. Right now, when she goes around, Janjun must love me. But I can bear such a paranoid love. Oh, right now, UNC, she feels that she's been little crazy. A powerful grey wolf. After eating enough, your body will basically recover. Right now, looking at her, it feels like she don't want to do anything today. She become lazy. Janjun should have asked you to guard me. However, you should know whether you can hold it or not. Oh, right now she's trying to scare the housemate, right? Remember to tell her that I am a wolf, not a bird kept in a cage. Yes, yes. Turns out she want to go out. After Minjun goes away. Right now. Right, give me my phone back. Give me my phone back. Also, give me some large band-aids. Well, right now, she want to go away. But, let's hope. Minjun, of course, she will really sad for this. The marks on the back of the neck have to be covered up. The nasty little fox cough. Right now, oh, seems that I really want to stay away from Minjun. Well, let's hope. But right now, let's see UNC's decision. Hey guys, thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And do comments and turn on the notification bell to keep you posted on my daily updates. Bye!